Welcome, here I've got POCO X3 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's change it by using this settings bar to the video, so we can do it by just simply going to the left. And from here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage, and from here let's pick this settings from the left. Here we are in the advanced camera settings. In the video mode, at the first place we have some video settings, and at the second position here we have the image stabilization. So by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. We can also go back to the video preview, and now let's focus on this button. By just one tap here we can turn on steady video and also turn this off. So this is really easy. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.